the way she warned me about guys. Firstly, she warned me about falling in love with guys because I easily fall in love with guys. I pray the next guy I will be dating will love me and love me forever and never tamper with my heart nor hurt me. Oh, finally I'm in love. Oh, the guy is so kind. He loved me so much and he also loved me. He took care of me. He has money, he has car, he has everything. He's even planning on taking me on a trip to America. Oh, I'm in love. Who is this? Hello, Kelvin. What's the problem? What? You're not interested again? Why? No. I'm done.